Someone left the lights on at home. Don't waste time worrying about who, because Etec City's smart dimmer switch gives you complete control of your lights, even if you've already left the house. That way, you don't have to turn the car around just because the lights were left on. With the smart dimmer switch, you can enjoy hands-free control of your lights through Alexa or Google Assistant, so you don't have to stumble around in the dark for the light switch.
Alexa, turn the lights on.
One of the Switch's most versatile features is its dimmer function. You can adjust the brightness of your lights to create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Whether you're trying to create the right mood, trying to finish that book you can't put down, or watching a horror movie that's a little too scary.
Alexa, turn your lights up!
Set schedules for when you want your lights to turn on and off. Your lights can automatically turn on when the sun goes down, or they can turn on when you get back from work, so you're greeted by a fully lit home. Maybe all you need is a quick power nap. Set a timer that turns the light off while you're sleeping, so the lights wake you up when they turn back on. No matter what the situation is, Etec City's smart dimmer switch is the perfect smart product to upgrade your home and make your life easier.
Alexa, turn on the kitchen.
Meet Ecobee Switch Plus, the light switch with Amazon Alexa built in, so you can turn the lights on and off with your voice, your phone, or when you enter or exit a room. Ask to help avoid traffic jams, order more jam, even pump up the jam.
Okay, pumping up the jam.
Switch on smarter lighting and say hello to voice control in every room. With Ecobee Switch Plus, turning on the lights is just the beginning.
Welcome to Philips Hue, the world's most innovative lighting system designed around you. Hue is easy to set up. Just plug in, download the app, and go. Use the app to tailor your lighting experience. Control all the lights in your home, whether you're at home or not. This will give you peace of mind, so you can enjoy your time away. And when you come back, they'll even welcome you home. Set your imagination free. Turn your gaming into an experience. And let movies make it feel like you're part of the action. Or just wind down and relax. And when you need to wake up, Hue will help you as gently as possible. It's about creating the best lighting experience for every space in your home. Hue truly allows you to turn on living. Innovation and you. Philips.
Say hello to Wemo Dimmer, the smart dimmer that makes your life truly comfortable. The Wemo Dimmer is versatile. Control it like a regular switch. From the Wemo app, or give power to your voice.
Turn on movie lighting.
You can also set schedules to make your life easier. and protect your eyes at night with night mode. Or get your home vacation ready for peace of mind with away mode.
Turn off the bedroom.
Ever wish you had a switch exactly where you need it? That's easy to get with Caseta by Lutron and its wireless smart remote. Let's say you have lights in your stairway and want to control them from the top and the bottom. Simply put the smart remote where you want control and pair it with a wired Caseta switch. Just think about the possibilities. It can be mounted on almost any surface without new holes or wires. Has an incredible 10-year typical battery life, and you can put it almost anywhere. Plus, one wireless smart remote can control multiple dimmers for even easier lighting control. It also means anyone, even visitors, can control the lights, the fans, the shades, even the tunes. All with a single touch. No apps, passwords, or Wi-Fi required. And when the day winds down, you can get all of the lights right from the comfort of your bed. Caseta by Lutron, the smarter choice for smart lighting.
3 years ago, we invented SwitchBot because we believe non-smart things can be smart with simple setup. With a 3-second installation, we make your light switch smart. We make your coffee machine smart, even your cat feeder. SwitchBot makes the non-smart smart. Now, it is time to make your curtain smart, and here is why. Let's say you're enjoying a good movie on a lazy weekend afternoon. Look at that annoying glare. And it's always you who have to get up and deal with it. You finally decide to invest a fortune on a motorized curtain, only to find out that the Quick Start Guide isn't so quick after all. Then you notice the fine print that says a power socket is required. The king of retrofit is back again, introducing the SwitchBot curtain, a revolutionary wireless robot that makes your curtain smart in seconds. With SwitchBot Curtain, now you can wake up naturally to sunshine and the beautiful scenery outside your window. Plus the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. Recharge with a power nap during the day. Use your voice to stop the annoying glares from ruining your lazy afternoon movie. Go on a business trip without having to worry about your place. Your curtain helps to keep the bad guys away. Maintain a healthy sleep cycle with the scheduled notifications from the SwitchBot curtain. We believe a smart home should be simple to set up. We designed the SwitchBot curtain to retrofit all types of curtain easily with sophisticated mechanism from the inside. So for you, the installation is so simple, it only takes a few seconds. And it's wireless. We also believe the smart home lifestyle should incorporate energy saving and sustainability. A sunlight sensor is embedded to keep the room cool while saving energy. With the add-on solar panel, you'll never have to worry about charging. Even your curtain cares about sustainability. Your curtain is fully automated through the day with scheduled actions. Simply set and forget. Even the classic manual control becomes smarter with the touch and go feature. SwitchBot Curtain supports Google Home, Alexa, Siri, and IFTTT with the hub. It took us 2 years to develop, craft, and test tirelessly. We tried and tested thousands of rods and rails, find every possible way to stress test it. Like this, and even this. It has been 3 years since our first Kickstarter project, and we have not let you down by shipping on time. We cannot grow without our community all around the world. With lots of valuable feedback, we listen, we fix, we iterate. And finally, we are here. The SwitchBot curtain is ready for production, and we need your support to bring this smart home innovation to life. SwitchBot curtain. Make your curtain smart in seconds.
One man's invention enlightened a generation, and now a new era begins.
Alexa, we're home.
Welcome home.
Introducing Instinct, the smart light switch with Alexa built in. Upgrade your home with invisible intelligence everywhere.
Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Instinct features premium Sound audio.
Alexa, play dinner music.
And a timeless design that fits with any home. Oh, and it still does this too. Visit InstinctSwitch.com or Amazon to get your Instinct today.